Hi children, welcome to online English class. This is Mahalakshmi working as English teacher in KZBV Vallur. Today we are going to learn basic English grammar. Today we will discuss parts of speech and articles. First, we will discuss parts of speech. All words in the English language belong to a word class called the parts of speech. All words in the English language belong to a word class called the parts of speech. Parts of speech ne Telugulo భాషా భాగాలు అంటారు. We use parts of speech to frame a sentence grammatically. We use parts of speech to frame a sentence grammatically. There are 8 main parts of speech in the English language. These are 8 parts of speech. Noun, number 1 noun, namavachakamu. Second pronoun, sarvanamamu. Adjective, visheshanamu. Verb, kriya. Adverb, kriya visheshanam. Preposition, vibhakti pratyayam. Conjunction, samuchayam. Interjection, acharyaarthakam. Next, first, what is a noun? Noun is a word that indicates the names of persons, place, and things. Noun is a word that indicates the names of person, place, and things. For example, Sriram, Anantapur, mobile, pen, the Himalaya. Here Sriram is a noun. Anantapur is a place. Mobile is thing. Next. Noun is the part of speech that names a person, place, animal, or thing. We learn. This is a boy. Here, this is a boy. This is a dog. This is Red Fort. This is a Honda City. Here, boy is a noun and dog is a noun. Red Fort also noun and Honda City is noun. Next, persons. Teacher, farmer, doctor, mother. These are persons. These persons are nouns. Place. School, beach, zoo, park. These are places. These places are nouns. Next, animal. Dog, elephant, bear, lion. These are animals. These animals are nouns. Ball, basket, mug, toy. These are things. These things are nouns. Next, second one is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Instead of a noun. Here, Raju is noun. Raju place lo we use he. So, Sita, she. Book, it. Students, they. Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. Noun ku baduluga upayoginchapadedi. You understand, children? Children, all of you listen carefully and write down. This is very important topic for all classes. So be carefully and listen. Be careful. Next, pronoun. Pronoun is the part of speech that replaces a noun. Instead of a noun, replaces of a noun. Nikki is Indian. Nikki is Indian. She is beautiful. Here, she is beautiful. Nikki ki replace lo kada em ochindi? She. Nikki is Indian. She is beautiful. Verb. It denotes an action or state. It denotes an action or state. For example, eat, run, drink, have, eat, walk, etc. Here is one more another example. Ricky walked to school. Ricky walked to school. Here walked is verb. The baby is crying. Here crying is verb. Next, adjective. It is a word that qualifies a noun or a thing. It is a word that qualifies or describes a noun or a thing. For example, black, good, great. Here is, he is a good boy. He is a good boy. It is a beautiful flower. It is a blackboard. Boy is noun. He is a good boy. Here boy is noun. Good is adjective. Next, it is a beautiful flower. Flower is noun. Beautiful is adjective. Next, it is a blackboard. Board is noun. Black is adjective. So, it is a word that qualifies a noun or a thing. Next, adjective is the part of speech that describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Rohan is a smart boy. Rohan is a smart boy. What type of a boy is Rohan? He is a smart boy. Here, smart is an adjective. Next, the green parrot is flying. The green parrot is flying. What is the color of the parrot? Green. Here, green is an adjective. Next, this is a big hall. This is a big hall. Here, big is an adjective. It is a round ball. It is a round ball. Here, round is adjective, an adjective. Next, adverb. It is a word used to qualify a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. Sriram teaches well. Sriram teaches well. Here, teaches is verb, well is adverb. Understand, children? Ice is very cold. Here, cold is adjective, very is adverb. The old man walks very slowly. The old man walks very slowly. Here, very and slowly also adverbs. Sorry. Here, very and slowly, these are two adverbs. Adverb is the part of speech that adds more information about a word or a adjective. More information about a word or an adjective also. For example, my dog eats slowly. My dog eats slowly. Here, slowly is adverb. We easily identify adverb last two words ly verb. Slowly, in slowly, last ly is add. So, we easily identify. Next, when he is very hungry, he eats quickly. When he is very hungry, he eats quickly. Very and quickly are adverbs. Next, preposition. విభక్తి ప్రత్యయాలు తెలుగులో ఉంటాయి కదా ప్రథమా విభక్తి ద్వితీయ విభక్తి సో అలాగా pre means here pre means before before okay next position means state a preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or pronoun and it shows relation between the noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Here, book and table are nouns. I go to school by bus. So, we learn a preposition is a word which replaced before a noun. Here, preposition on in front of the table noun. Next, I go to school by bus. Here, to and by are prepositions. Next, I am at school. Here, at is preposition. Preposition is the part of speech that shows locations, position, time or direction. It indicates location, position, time and direction also. We went to school on Monday. We went to school on Monday. Here, to is location and time indicates, on indicates time, to indicates location. Preposition is the part of speech that shows location, position, time or direction. One more another example. The train is passing through the tunnel. The train is passing through the tunnel. Through indicates direction. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word which joins two words or two sentences. Conjunction is a word which joins two words or two sentences. If you work hard, for example, if you work hard, you can get good marks. If you work hard, you can get good marks. Here, if is conjunction. Ramesh and Suresh are studying 4th class. Here, Ramesh and Suresh, 2 words, and is joined 2 words. Ramesh and Suresh. I like cats and dogs. Here, one more example. I like cats and dogs. Here, and is conjunction. Next, the sky is cloudy, but it is not raining. The sky is cloudy, but it is not raining. Here, but is conjunction. Next, interjection. It is a word which expresses sudden feelings of mind. అంటే సడన్ గా అకస్మాత్తుగా జరిగే సంఘటనలకు we use interjection. For example, ho, alas, hooray, bravo. Alas, the old man was passed away. What a wonderful location. What a wonderful location. Here, alas, and what is? What? Alas and what are? Interjections. We easily identify interjection. There is a exclamatory mark. So we easily identify. Interjection is the part of speech that shows emotion, surprise, emphasis. Interjection shows emotion, surprise, and emphasis. Here, 2 girls, their emotions are there. Ouch, that hurts. Hi, how are you? Children, do you understand? These all 8 parts of speech. So, I will tell you a story related to parts of speech to easily identify nouns and pronouns. Here is a story. Story name is Grammar Family. There is a family in London whose surname is Grammar. There is a couple, Mr. Noun and Mrs. Verb. The couple has 3 children, 1 son, pronoun, and 2 daughters, adverb and adjective. The son, pronoun, has to do all the work of his father in his absence. The 2 daughters love each other, but there is a difference in them. Adjective loves her father and brother and keeps praising them. Adverb loves her mother more. She always modifies her when there is a need. There are 2 servants in the family, preposition and conjunction. The preposition is the chief servant. He is the official servant of his master. He is the family servant and looks after every member of the family. The interjection joins the family in times of joy and sorrow. This is a family in London whose surname is Grammar. Surname Grammar. There is a couple, husband and wife. Husband name is noun. Wife name is verb. These have these have 3 children. One son. Son name is pronoun. 2 daughters. One daughter name is adverb and another daughter name is adjective. The son. The 2 daughters, the son has to do all the work of his father in his absence. Here, what is the son name? Pronoun. Pronoun works his father work his absence. The 2 daughters loved each other, but there is a difference in them. Adjective loves her father and brother and keeps praising them. Adjective loves father. Father means noun and brother, pronoun. So, adjective praising noun and pronoun. Adverb loves her mother more. She always modifies her when there is a need. Adverb loves her mother. Mother name is verb. So, adverb loves verb. So, she always modify her when there is a need. There are 2 servants in the family. One preposition and another one conjunction. The preposition is the chief servant, preposition. He is the official servant of his master. He is the family servant and looks after every member of the family. The interjection join the family when joy and sorrow. Okay, children. Can you tell me all the parts of speech come together in a sentence? Can you write all the parts of speech come together in a sentence? Okay. For your only, I prepared a sentence here. For your only, I prepared a sentence. In this sentence, all parts of speech there. Great. Sumana and her friend are the only brilliant girls in the class. Great. Sumana and her friend are the only brilliant girls in the class. C. Noun. Sumana, girls. These are nouns. Pronoun, her. Adjective, brilliant. Verb, are. Adverb, only. Preposition, in. Conjunction, and. Interjection, great. Children, write down homework. At least 10 example in each part of speech. Try. Children, write animal names or thing names, fruit names, and all parts of speech. You can write at least 5 or 10 sentences. Finally, recapitulation. Noun is naming word. Pronoun is substitution word. Verb is action word. Adverb is ly word. Adjective is describing word. Conjunction is joint word. Conjunction means two places joined together. Junction. Junction means two places joined together. So conjunction means two words or two sentences joined together. Preposition. Preposition. Pre, before. Position means straight. Next, preposition is relation word. Interjection is exclamatory word. Next, we will discuss about another topic, articles. A and the are articles. A and the are called articles. Type of articles. Definite article, indefinite article. The is definite article, a and indefinite articles. The is used unique or specific things. A and is used general. For example, here how many apples are there? 5 apples. I want 1 apple. Any 1 apple, we will write an apple. So, I want a specific one. First one. I want a first apple. We use the. Understand? Here is example. I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. Okay. Next, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Any apple I want, we will write an specific apple, we use the. Next, we have 26 letters in English, 5 vowels, 21 consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, vowel sound we use and consonant sound we use A. articles a, an, and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. Used before a word that begins with a consonant sound. These are consonant sounds: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. A is before singular common noun, begins with a consonant sound. Before single common noun, we are used A. Begins with a consonant. For example, this is a flower. How many flowers are there? One flower. Single one, we use A. In consonant sounds. For example, a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl, etc. An is used before singular common noun that begins with a vowel sound. An is used before singular common noun that begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. For example, this is an orange. How many oranges are there? There is one orange. Here we use an. One more examples. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. So, తెలుగులో ఆ నుంచి అహా వరకు మనము హచ్చులు అంటాము. కా నుంచి బండిరా వరకు హల్లులు అంటాము. We use an, a to aha sound words. Here, the use of a or an depends on the beginning sound. So, we use depends on the beginning sound. Beginning sound and batti manamu a nu and nu use cheyali. Ikkada unique. We see a u. U ni manamu a palketappudu em palukutamu a. So, but we hear a consonant sound. U. Ikkada em palukutunam? Unique. U. So, a unique change. We use here a, not an, because the sound is pronounced U. For example, a rat, a unit. Here U is vowel, but we use a. The pronunciation of first letter sound is U. So we use a here. A xylophone. Next, the use of a or an depends on the beginning sounds. Here, our. We see an H. So, our lo manam em chustunam ikkada H. But we hear a vowel sound. Kani manam palketappudu em palukutam ikkada our. Ow. Sound. So we is here an, not a, an hour, not a hour, an hour. For example, an adult, an X-ray, an iris. Here, an iris, H is, first letter is H, but we pronounce L, iris. So we use an. Next, here an used singular common nouns before singular common nouns. A or an are used indefinite articles. Or a or an are indefinite articles. A or an are used to speak of someone or something for the first time. A and are used with a noun in general. For example, that is a stall. That is a stall. Next, we have a test tomorrow. We have a test tomorrow. There is an umbrella on the stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. The articles a, an, and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. Here is example. Our school has got a new captain. Our school has got a new captain. Here, captain is noun. New is adjective. A is article. We learn the articles a and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. Here, the adjectives used before a noun, so the article a is used. The new captain was elected last week. The new captain was elected last week. Captain is noun. New is adjective. The is article. We use first sentence. Our school has got a new. Here we use the. So second time we use the word. We use the. Next, he is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent boy. Boy is noun, intelligent is adjective, and is article. We use the when a person, place, animal, or thing is mentioned a second time. We use the when a person, place, or animal, things mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. We have a test tomorrow. Next, we want to do well in the test. First sentence, we have a test tomorrow. Test mentioned first time, so we use A. In the second sentence, we want to do well in the test. Test mentioned second time, so we use the. We use the when there is only one such thing. The moon, the sun, the earth. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. Entire group. We use the. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. The whale is a mammal. Whale, entire group. We use the before ordinal numbers, before superlative adjectives. Example, the second seat in that row is mine. The second seat in that row is mine. Here, second is ordinal number. So, we use the. Next, superlative. You are the best. You are the best. Here, best is superlative adjective. So, we use the. We use the names of oceans. The is used names of oceans. Example, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Here, we use the. We use the names of rivers and seas. The is used before the names of rivers and seas. The is used before the names of rivers and seas. For example, the Ganges is a sacred river. The Ganges is a sacred river. The is used before names of deserts. The Thar Desert is in Western India. Thar Desert is in Western India. Use the. The is used names of landmarks. I live behind the fire station. Fire station is landmark. So use the. The is used before names of mountains. Sorry, moments. The is used before the names of monuments. The Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. The is used names of places containing the word of. Here, the United States of. So, names of places containing the word of, we use the. The United States of America is a democratic country. The is used names of places ending in plurals. Plural S. Plural S. For example, the British Isles are a group of islands of the northwestern coast of Europe. Northwestern coast of Europe. The is used names of newspapers, magazines, and books. For example, the Times of India is a popular English newspaper. The Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, etc. The is used names of hotels and restaurants. For example, the Land's End Hotel is near the shore. We do not use the definite article the before names of games. Before names of games, we do not use the article. Do not use the with the following proper nouns. Names of continents, streets, and most countries, names of lakes and mountains, names of days, months, and festivals, names of people. Once again, I repeat, don't use the with the following proper nouns. First, names of continents, streets, and most countries, names of lakes and mountains, names of days, months, and festivals, names of people. Children, write down homework. Fill in the blanks with the A and R, the first one. In 1987, M.S. Swaminathan was awarded Raman Magsaysay Award. Second one, we dined yesterday at Mayura Saturn Hotel. Third one, Tejaswini lent me interesting book. Fourth one, my father is school teacher. Fifth one, M.S. Swaminathan worked at Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Sixth one, Rekha bought long notebook yesterday. Shravani, seventh one, Shravani is eating mango now. Ganesh always carries umbrella with him. Ninth one, Ram Babu is dash English teacher in a high school. 10th one, Manjula and Shruti play dash guitar well. So, thank you all of you giving this opportunity. We will meet next session. Bye children. Stay home. Stay safe.